I'm Dan Short from FantomWorks, and I was asked to speak to AIM because we have similar goals. I want to build the best cars in the world. I want to establish a reputation that lives as long as the cars do and even longer. And I know AIM wants to bring in not just amazing students, but put them in jobs and help change the world. I think we share a lot. People ask me, what are my rules, my Dan rules, or the ground rules? You have to have a good attitude. You have to want to be here, and it better not be just because you want a paycheck. You better want to learn and better yourself in your craft. And then you need to come to me with at least a minimum skill set that lets me know that this is important in your life. And if you can sort of have those three things, the right attitude, the right aptitude, and a minimum skill set, we'll probably get along just fine. I think what I look for and what the Aviation Institute looks for are probably the same thing, that we want the right people to do a job that they were designed for. What I'm looking for is someone that always wanted to do this work, they just didn't quite know it yet. And what I want to do is just open the door to allow them in. So I actually try not to change the way people are wired. I just want to find those people that are wired the right way and pave the way for them. The career outlook in the automotive and the aviation field, I have found that there is a severe shortfall in qualified mechanics and qualified aviation technicians. I would actually argue today that going into the trades fields is actually quite beneficial because there is a far greater demand for employees than there is supply, and that means that wages are going up.